John and Yoko Rolling Stone, January 1981. John and Yoko Rolling Stone, January 1981. Call Me Caitlyn, Vanity Fair, June 2015. Call Me Caitlyn, Vanity Fair, June 2015. The Passion of Muhammad Ali, Esquire, April 1968. The Passion of Muhammad Ali, Esquire, April 1968. Break the InternetPaper magazine, Winter 2014. An American Tragedy Time, June 27, 1994. An American Tragedy Time, June 27, 1994. Are You Mom Enough? Time, May 21, 2012. Are You Mom Enough? Time, May 21, 2012. The Passion of Kanye West, Rolling Stone, February 2006. The Bomber, Rolling Stone, July 2013. The Bomber, Rolling Stone, July 2013.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.